Welcome back to another day at Topcast. Today, in this era of rapid technological advancements, artificial intelligence has emerged as a transformative force, seamlessly integrating into our daily lives and reshaping the way we work. This video aims to delve into the profound impact of AI technology on various aspects of our lives, elucidating how it has made our work more accessible and efficient. From automating mundane tasks to revolutionizing industries, AI has become an indispensable tool, enhancing productivity and pushing the boundaries of what was once thought possible. Automation revolution. AI's ability to automate repetitive tasks has significantly revolutionized industries. Identify repetitive tasks that can be automated to free up time for more strategic endeavors. Explore and implement user-friendly automation tools tailored to your industry. Stay updated on emerging technologies to remain at the forefront of innovation. Foster a culture of adaptability and continuous learning within your team to seamlessly integrate automation into daily workflows. Remember, automation is not just about efficiency, it's about empowering individuals to focus on tasks that truly require human ingenuity and creativity. Enhanced personalization. Enhanced personalization is a game changer in the digital landscape. To maximize its benefits, consider actively engaging with platforms that offer customization options. Regularly update your preferences and provide feedback to refine AI algorithms' understanding of your needs. Embrace the convenience of personalized recommendations, but also stay mindful of privacy settings to ensure a balance between customization and data security. By actively participating in the personalization process, you unlock a world of tailored experiences that align seamlessly with your preferences. Smart assistants and virtual helpers. When interacting with smart assistants and virtual helpers, efficiency and clarity are key. Clearly articulate your commands, providing specific details to ensure accurate responses. Regularly update your device's software to benefit from the latest improvements and security features. Explore the customization options to personalize your assistant's responses and functionalities. Additionally, be mindful of privacy settings, understanding and adjusting them to align with your comfort level. These small steps will enhance your overall experience with smart assistants and virtual helpers, making them more effective and tailored to your needs. Revolutionizing healthcare. Revolutionizing healthcare through AI involves harnessing the power of data analytics for precision diagnostics and personalized treatments. Implementing AI-driven technologies, such as machine learning algorithms, accelerates the identification of patterns in patient data, leading to quicker and more accurate diagnoses. Additionally, robotic-assisted surgeries enhance precision, reducing recovery times. The seamless integration of AI in healthcare not only optimizes operational efficiency but also transforms patient care, fostering a new era of medical advancements and improved outcomes. Efficient data analysis. Efficient data analysis is a cornerstone of informed decision-making. Begin by defining clear objectives and understanding the specific questions you aim to answer. Clean and organize your data meticulously, ensuring accuracy and relevance. Embrace automation tools to expedite repetitive tasks, freeing up time for in-depth analysis. Utilize visualization techniques to communicate insights effectively. Regularly update your skills and stay abreast of emerging tools and methodologies to enhance your analytical prowess. Remember, the key lies not only in processing data swiftly but also in extracting meaningful insights that drive impactful decisions. AI in education. Incorporating AI in education can revolutionize learning experiences. Implement adaptive learning platforms to personalize content based on individual student needs, fostering a more engaging and effective educational environment. Utilize AI for administrative tasks, freeing up educators to focus on teaching. Encourage collaboration between students and AI-powered tools for a more interactive and dynamic classroom. Additionally, regularly update and train educators on AI applications to maximize its potential impact on enhancing the educational journey. Financial technology advancements. In the dynamic realm of financial technology, staying informed is key. Keep abreast of the latest advancements in digital payments, blockchain, and robo-advisors to make informed financial decisions. Embrace secure mobile banking apps and explore decentralized finance opportunities cautiously. Additionally, consider investing in fintech stocks to capitalize on the industry's growth. Continuous learning and prudent adoption of fintech innovations can empower individuals to navigate the evolving financial landscape with confidence. Innovations in transportation. AI is at the forefront of transforming the transportation sector with the development of autonomous vehicles and intelligent traffic management systems. These innovations aim to enhance safety, reduce traffic congestion, and revolutionize the way we commute. Embrace electric and autonomous vehicles for cleaner, safer commutes. Explore shared mobility options, such as ride-sharing and bike-sharing, to reduce congestion. Intelligent traffic management systems leverage AI to optimize routes, minimizing delays. Stay informed about the latest advancements in transportation technology to contribute to a more connected and eco-friendly future. Precision agriculture. Precision agriculture revolutionizes farming by leveraging technology to optimize crop yields. Farmers can enhance efficiency by employing data-driven practices, including satellite imagery, sensors, and GPS technology. These tools enable precise monitoring of soil conditions, crop health, and irrigation needs, allowing for targeted interventions. By adopting precision agriculture, farmers can reduce resource usage, minimize environmental impact, and increase overall productivity, ushering in a more sustainable and technologically advanced era in agriculture. Addressing environmental challenges. AI is playing a crucial role in addressing environmental issues. From climate modeling and monitoring to wildlife conservation, AI technologies are being utilized to gather and analyze data, providing valuable insights for developing sustainable solutions to global challenges. Addressing environmental challenges requires a collective effort. Start by adopting sustainable practices in your daily life, such as reducing single-use plastics, conserving energy, and supporting eco-friendly products. Stay informed about environmental issues and advocate for policies that promote conservation. Planting trees and participating in community cleanup initiatives also contribute to a healthier planet. Small, conscious choices collectively make a significant impact, and by fostering a global commitment to environmental stewardship, we can work towards a more sustainable future for generations to come. The integration of AI into our daily lives has undeniably transformed the way we work and interact with the world. From automating routine tasks to pushing the boundaries of innovation in various industries, AI has become a driving force for efficiency and progress. As we continue to navigate this technological landscape, it is essential to embrace the potential of AI responsibly, ensuring that it augments human capabilities while prioritizing ethical considerations for a harmonious coexistence between humans and intelligent machines. So thank you for joining with us. Have a great day.